everyone, welcome to Glam Forever. If you're just tuning in, I'm Ayushi Gupta. In this video, we are going to continue the 7-day skincare challenge, and it's day third. Wow, we are continuing the series. So, in the day third, we are doing a facial massage. Why facial massage? Because facial massage helps to promote your healthy and perfect skin, whatever you want. It will give you glowing skin. It's get rid of wrinkles, and it's get rid of your acne, and it's improve your blood circulation while relaxing your muscles. And it's really relaxing for you, because you know already that we are doing facials and all. It's a various types of facial in this world, and we are doing just because of relaxing our muscles and get rid of aging so fast. So let's get started. I already cleansed my face, so we are just going to start with massage. I'm using Nivea's soft moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer, any facial oils, and whatever you want. And I'm doing my massage with my hands, and you can use jet roller, gosha, but it's really helpful if you are do with your hands. So I'm just applying moisturizer. You can also use lotions, but I love this moisturizer, that's why I'm using this. First, we are starting with the neck. Just go on a circulation motion on all over your neck, just like that, and do a flare to the chin. It's really helpful. If you do daily, you don't face any of the problem in your skin. It's really helpful. It feels also so much better than anything else. Just go in the circular motion in the middle of your neck to the shoulders. I'm not taking the typical names, I'm just giving you simple names so you can understand. Just like this. Every move you have to do 3 to 4 times. I'm not doing it because I don't make a video too long. So just like it. Now it's time for your chin. Go on a circular motion to the jaw line, to the end of the jaw line, and just push it like this. And it's around your mouth. And around your nose. Just go on a circular motion like this with 2 fingers. Around your eyes and on your forehead. And on your cheeks. Now after that, take your index finger and just push it towards the jawline. Just like this. And your thumb should be on your neck. Now from the shoulder to the neck, and press it towards the end of your ear. And now take the same index finger and thumb and go to the end front of your ear. Just press it towards that. Do on your whole of your face like this. Okay, now just go effleurage on your cheeks. Okay, just push upside your cheeks with your hands, just like this, and just like other side. Again. Now put the index finger to the end of your lips and just press it towards your end of the ear. Now it's time for nose. again. Every one of you should do at least 3 times. Around your lips, around your nose, and around your eye, on your forehead, and just on your chin, just like this. Now to the chin, chin to the nose, to the eye, to the forehead, to your temples. Just press it and you are done. This is a simple and easy massage you can ever have in your life. If you do this, it takes 5 to 10 minutes for you, and if you do on a regular basis, it just gives you so much benefits than you can ever think of. So yeah, in this video, we are doing just a facial massage. We are not doing too much. You already know we are doing a little bit every day, so we can perform 7 days straight. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and don't miss 7 days. I really appreciate if you do daily. It really helps you and me also. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next. So until then, stay happy, stay glam, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.